in compound interest problems. This is a special class. Percentage increase or decrease concept in compound interest problems. Listen carefully. I'll just do a recap of all the important things. Recap. If the percentage increase is there, if it is converted into fraction, numerator by denominator. Denominator is nothing but the initial value. Numerator is nothing but the change. Numerator is nothing but the change. So, final value is nothing but denominator plus numerator. Similarly, if it is a percentage decrease, listen carefully to this problem, sir. Percentage decrease, if it is numerator by denominator, if this is initial value and it is decrease, let me write down instead of change increase, because I wrote up arrow, these increase. So these is nothing but final value equivalent to denominator plus numerator. Here it is a decrease. Final value equivalent to denominator minus numerator. Denominator minus numerator. Right? This could be, final value could be selling price. Selling price equivalent to cost price plus profit. Selling price equivalent to cost price minus loss. Cost price minus loss. Similarly here, SP equivalent to CP plus profit. SP equivalent to CP minus loss. Next one, market price is nothing but cost price plus markup. Please write down cost price plus markup. These are nothing but, right? These selling price equivalent to market price minus discount. Morning we discussed this concept, how it is used in compound interest and profit loss and discount problems. Once you understand compound interest, simple interest is extremely easy. Simple interest is extremely easy. SP equivalent to CP plus profit. Market price is CP plus markup. SP equivalent to market price minus discount. Finally, it is amount equivalent to principal plus interest. Thematic based learning, how this concept is used in multiple problems. This what we did it. Amount equivalent to markup, principal plus interest. Now see here. Examples. Suppose the first example, markup is nothing but 40%. Discount is nothing but 25%. Markup is 40%. Discount is 25%. Profit or loss percentage is how much? Profit or loss percentage, it is how much? Now listen carefully, sir. Markup is 40%. Discount is 25%. Profit or loss. Markup is nothing but markup upon cost price. We already discussed that MP is nothing but CP plus markup. MP is nothing but CP plus markup. Method 1. How the generally students will solve. Method number 1. First I went into a shop, bought a product at 100 rupees. There is no label on the product. If there is no label on the product, I created my own company label, which is I added 40 rupees more. So market price is nothing but 140. I hope it is clear. There is no label on the product. Cost price is 100, markup is 40, market price is 140. Then on this one, I gave a discount of 25%. I gave a discount of 25%. 25% is 1 by 4 into 140, which is nothing but 35 I gave discount. Selling price is nothing but 105. Selling price is nothing but 105. 100 became 105. What is the profit I got? 5%. Profit is nothing but 5%, which is nothing but traditional method, which is nothing but the traditional method. Most of the students will solve like this. Again, I am repeating, cost price is 100. There is no label. I took the product. I added a new label with 40 rupees more. So I added 40 rupees more. So 140 increase is 140. My friend came and asked for discount. Discount is 25%. 1 by 4 of 140 is 35. 145, 35 decrease. Selling price is 105. Cost price 100. Selling price 105. 100 became 105. Profit is nothing but 5%. Profit is nothing but 5%. Narendra Reddy, right? Please understand that I told you in the morning that my way of teaching is thematic based learning. I will take a theme and I will solve all the problems based on a theme across the topics. Please have some patience, right? 100 became 140, 140, 105. Method 1. Traditional method, you will solve like this. If this is one event, this is another event, this is another event. So one event is happening after another event. Let us go. Method number 2. 40% is 2 by 5. I bought it at 5. I increased 2 rupees, 7. Discount. Discount is nothing but market price is 4. I decreased 1. So these is nothing but 5 4s are 20, 7 3s are 21. 20 became 21. 1 by 20 is nothing but 5%. 1 by 20 is nothing but 5%. This is A and it is B. If I do one event of the other, I will get K value. 40% is 2 by 5. Initially 5. There is 2 increase. 7. Initially 4. There is 1 decrease 3. 5 4s are 20. 7 3s are 21. 20 became 21. Increase is 1 out of 20, which is nothing but 5%. Which is nothing but 5%. Second question. Markup percentage is 16.67%. Discount percentage is 28.5714%. 28.5714%. Profit percentage is how much? Profit percentage is how much? Same method we will use. 16.67 is 1 by 6. 6 1 increase, it is 7. This is 2 by 7. 7 2 decrease, which is nothing but 5. If I multiply, 6 became 5. There is a decrease of 1 out of 6. In fact, I got a negative value for profit, which is nothing but loss. Loss percentage is 16.67%. Loss percentage is 16.67%. Loss percentage is 16.67%. Now see here. Third question. Right? All are very, very easy questions. Discount percentage is 11.11%. Profit percentage is 25%. What is markup percentage? You can also solve this problem in a little different way. That method also I will teach you. Discount percentage is 11.11. Profit is 25%. Markup percentage how much? 11.11 is 1 by 9. What is discount? Discount is discount upon market price. Discount base value is market price. 25% is 1 by 4. Profit base value is cost price. This is cost price. 1 is nothing but profit. 1 is nothing but profit. Let us write down in a order. Market price is 9. If market price is 9, discount is nothing but 1. Discount is nothing but 1. So I will sell the product for 8 rupees. On 9 there is 1 decrease. It is 8 rupees. Next one. Cost price. Cost price is given as 4. Profit is given as 1. Profit is given as 1. Second value. Cost price is 4 and profit is 1. Selling price we will get it as 5. Make selling price same. Make selling price same. 8 5s are 40. Take the LCM. These entire strip multiply by 8. 5 8s are 40. 4 8s are 32. 1 8s are 8. These 8 is becoming 40 5 times. 1 5s are 5. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. I hope it is clear. Again I am explaining. This is one line. Market price is 9. Discount is 1. Selling price is 8. This is one line. Another line is cost price is 4. Profit is 1. Selling price is 5. These both make it same so that you will get it in the same line. 40. 8 5s are 40. Multiply by 5. These multiply by 8. So what is that we require? Market price. Market price is nothing but I went to the shop, purchased it for 32, right? And these 45. 32 became 45. So I increased 13 on 32. 1 by 32. It is just greater than 3%. 32 3s are, so it is greater than 39%. It is greater than 39%. Idea it is clear. 8 5s are 40. 5 8s are 4 8s are 1 8s are. 8 5s are 1 5s are 9 5s are. I hope the idea it is clear. Third one. Fourth one. One more problem based upon this we will solve so that you will get an idea. Profit percentage is 60%. Markup percentage is, or let me take a discount. Discount percentage is 25%. Markup percentage equivalent to how much? I will tell a better method. Just this line method I want to introduce. Profit percentage is 60%. Discount percentage is 25%. Profit percentage is profit on cost price. These are nothing but 3 by 5. Discount percentage is on market price there is a discount. These are nothing but 1 by 4. Write down in a line. Cost price is nothing but 5. Profit is nothing but 3. Profit is nothing but 3. Selling price will become 5 plus 3. It is nothing but 8. First line. Second line. Market price is nothing but 4. Discount is nothing but 1. Market price 4. Discount 1. Selling price will become 3. Make selling price in the same number line. 8 and 3. They both will be meeting at their LCM. 24. 3 8s are. 4 8s are 32. 1 8s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. I went to a shop, bought a product at 15. I kept a new label at 32. That means I increased 17 out of 15. 17 out of 15. These 1 plus 2 by 15. These 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 1 plus 2 by 3 into 20%. 1 is 100%. So 133.33%. 133.33%. I will tell you another method, but wait for some time so that you will understand this concept thoroughly. Some people like this line method, some people like a different method. I will teach you all. You decide what works for you. 5 profit 3 increase, market price 4 discount 1 decrease. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if everything is clear to you. Till here, any doubts are there? Till here, any doubts are there? Till here, any doubts are there? Kindly reply so that I will get into a next variety. I don't look at profit, loss and discount and simple interest, compound interest as a different topic. I use one theme and I will connect it. I'll use one theme and I'll connect it. For example, in your mathematics textbook, if somebody teaches one-to-many functions in algebra, one-to-many functions if it is taught in algebra, I will teach the same thing in number system by telling that repeated addition will result in into Into is a one-to-many function of plus. Into is a one-to-many function of plus. Repeated subtraction is nothing but repeated division is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. I hope it is clear, right? It is. Now, how Premi Reddy is asking me how to get the selling price as 8. I think my viewer, somebody please answer it, sir. Right? I just erased it. Somebody take the ownership and explain Premi Reddy why the selling price is 8. Next one. Please write down, sir. Very, very important concept. Application of percentage changes. Application of percentage changes in compound interest. Application of percentage changes in compound interest. Please write down simple interest here on the left side. Simple interest on the left side and the right side compound interest. First we will see the basic difference between simple interest and the compound interest. In simple interest, interest remains the same every year. In case of simple interest, interest remains the same every year. Interest remains the same every year. Right? Interest changes every year. Interest changes every year. Interest changes every year. Right? Every year interest will change. Simple interest is nothing but an arithmetic progression. Simple interest is nothing but an arithmetic progression. Compound interest is nothing but a geometric progression. Compound interest is nothing but a geometric progression. Geometric progression. Geometric progression. Now see here. Suppose I went and took 100 rupees from my friend. He said, because you are using my money, pay me 10 rupees extra. 100, 10 rupees extra. It is 110. In every year, interest remains the same every year. Second year also, it is 10, 120. Third year also, it is the same, 130. 100, 110, 120, 130. So, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. The difference between these values is same. Here also it is same. So, in simple interest, all the values, these P, 100, this is the amount after first year. This is the amount after second year. This is amount after third year. So, all the values, difference is constant. If the difference is constant, all these are in arithmetic progression. All these are in arithmetic progression. All these are in arithmetic progression. In compound interest, very, very important understanding, sir. In case of compound interest, amount at the end of, please write down, amount at the end of the year, amount at the end of the year becomes the principal for the next year. Amount at the end of the year becomes the principal for the next year. Amount at the end of the year becomes the principal for the next year. Amount at the end of the year becomes the principal for the next year. Listen carefully. Principal is 100. There is 10% increase. This is nothing but 110. This is A1. This amount will act as a principal for the next year. Again, it is 10% increase. 10% of 110 is 11. Here it is 10 increase. Here it is, or we will write it. Here it is 10 increase. So it is 121. So here it is 1.1. Here it is 1.1. I hope it is clear, right? Here it is again 10% increase. It is nothing but 121. Now I'll write down in a new slide because these are extremely important. P is nothing but 100. 10% increase after first year. It is nothing but 110. Again second year. 10% increase on 110. 11 increase, 121. Again 10% increase. 10% of 121 is 12.1. Here it is 12.1, it is increase. It is 133.1. Again, it is 10% increase, which is 146.41. It is 146.41. Now see here, listen carefully. These are nothing but into 1.1, 110 into 10% increase. I hope it is clear. These are nothing but 1.21, 1.21, right? So if you observe 110 to 133.1, multiplication is 1.21. It is nothing but 1.331. So all the values are in geometric progression. These nothing but, okay, I will tell like this so that it will be easy for you. Principal A1, A2, A3, A4, right, and so on. They are all in geometric progression. Amount at the end of the first year, amount at the end of second year, amount at the end of third year. Why it is, we will see. Principal is 100. These are nothing but 110. These are nothing but 121. These are nothing but 133.1. These are nothing but 146.41. 110 by 100. These are nothing but 1.1. Are you with me? 121 by 110. Again, it is nothing but 1.1. 133.1 divided by 121. Again, it is 1.1. Ratio is constant. 146.41 divided by 133.1. It is 1.1. Ratio between A1, A2, A1. Ratio is constant. If the ratio is constant, that means the series is in which progression? Geometric progression. If 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, ratio is constant. 2 by 1, 4 by 2, 8 by 4, 16 by 8. Extremely important. Simple interest follows arithmetic progression. Compound interest follows geometric progression. Please write down these points, sir. Principal, amount at the end of first year, amount at the end of third year, amount at the end of fourth year. All these are in which progression? Geometric progression. All these are in geometric progression. Please write down. Whereas in case of simple interest, P, A1, A2, A3, A4 are in arithmetic progression. Simple interest follows arithmetic progression. Compound interest follows geometric progression. Compound interest follows geometric progression. I hope the idea is clear. Now see here. A3 is 9. A5 is 16. Find the value of amount at the end of fourth year in the case of a geometric progression. In the case of a geometric progression. In the case of a compound interest. It is in the case of a compound interest. Amount at the end of third year given, amount at the end of fourth year given, amount at the end of fifth year it is given. So already A4 ratio is same. A4 by A3 equivalent to A5 by A4. So A4 is nothing but root of A3 into A5. If you know this concept, you will get the answer directly as 12. Directly you will get the answer as 12. I hope it is clear. Amounts, consecutive amounts are always in geometric progression in the case of a compound interest. In the case of a compound interest, right? Not only A3, A4, A5. For example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. He might create a fear for you by giving this question. If you see A1, A3, A5, 1, 4, 16 are also is in AP, yes or no? A1, A1, A4, A4, A7, 1, 8, 64. They are also in geometric progression. He might give you some different values. Suppose for example, A1 is for example 18 is given. A4 is given as for example 60 is given. He is asking amount at the end of the here in the case of a compound interest. A1, A4, A7, they are also in geometric progression. In geometric progression, middle number whole square equivalent to 18 into A7. From there, you will get the value of A7. Is this concept clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat. Why simple interest is behaving like a arithmetic progression? Why compound interest is behaving like a geometric progression? Not only the consecutive amounts, right? A1, A4, A7, A1, A5, A9, A1, A10, A19, all are in geometric progression. All are in geometric progression. Right. First question. Percentage change. Percentage change is given by numerator by denominator. Denominator, if it is percentage increase, this is nothing but numerator by denominator. This is nothing but principal. This is nothing but principal. Numerator is nothing but interest. Numerator is nothing but interest. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. Percentage increase is numerator by denominator. Interest by principal. Amount is principal plus interest. Next one. Percentage decrease is numerator by denominator. This is nothing but the principal. This is nothing but the principal. This is nothing but the depreciation. This is nothing but the depreciation. So amount is nothing but principal minus depreciation. Please write down. Principal minus depreciation. Interest is the positive value. Depreciation is the negative value. Depreciation is the negative value. Amount is principal plus interest. Amount is principal plus interest. Amount is principal minus depreciation. We did it in the previous class only 1 year. Now we will solve a lot of problems. Right? Narendra Reddy, don't push me. I remember your doubt very well. Right? If you think that I will take class only for you, I have no other option but to block you. Right? I don't know what made you keep the question. Please have some patience. Have some patience. One thing which I want each and every student is, please do not disturb the class flow with your random doubts. If you want like that, you can go for a home tutor. Tutor will come to your home and teach. Right? If you are taking a gate class or a class, right? If you disturb the classes, right? The teacher will say, thank you very much. I am going in a sequential base value. Why are you so restless? Should I waste my time in telling you that I remember your question? Right? Keep on asking the same thing again and again. Just now I wrote the percentage increase. I have not even solved a few problems. Right?